Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So the Department of Correctional Service is investigating the alleged assault of Dr. Nandipha Magudumana in custody. You guys, now reports of an alleged altercation and a push against the girls can be confirmed, said the department spokesperson Singaba Kongumalo. According to her lawyer Machine Mutlou, Magudumana, who is currently detained at the Kroonstad Correctional Center in Free State, was allegedly assaulted by two inmates on Sunday, leaving her with serious bruising, pain and suffering. However, Ngumalo said health official who assessed her reported no visible injuries. Mutloung said the alleged attacker was a sangoma and had been stirring division against Magudi because of her praying and singing with other inmates. Now he claimed prison officials failed to prevent the attack after Magudumana reported the threats against her. Her complaint on various challenges she is experiencing in the correctional facility has landed on deaf ears, as the prison authorities have done little, if not nothing, to attend a myriad of complaints from her. Ngumalo said department officials advised Magudumana to open a criminal case when she reported that she was allegedly assaulted, but she opted to discuss it with her lawyer first. The safety and well-being of inmate is our utmost priority, and we take such allegations seriously. Hence, this incident is under investigation, he said. Now, according to Mutlou, Magudumana opened a case of assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm against her alleged attackers. Police have not confirmed this. We will be engaging with the Department and Ministry of Justice concerning her safety in prison as an awaiting trial. Inmate Mutlou said Magudumana and Besta made headlines after Ground Up exposed the married doctor and influencer had allegedly helped her inmate boyfriend fake his own death and escape from the maximum security Mangaung Correctional Center. Now, the state claims that Magudumana even procured bodies to assist in Besta's escape plan and went to court in an urgent but failed bid to ensure that the true identity of the body set on fire in her lover's cell was never discovered. Now, the couple are alleged to have committed multiple scams after Besta's May 2022 escape, which funded their luxurious life in Sandton. After their escape plot was exposed, they fled to Tanzania, where they were arrested by local authorities there, you guys. Well, there you have it. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely see you on the next video. Thank you so much for clicking and watching this one.